In this tutorial, I will show you how to use the appointment scheduling tool. This powerful feature allows your user to book an appointment on your bot. In a situation where your business requires your customers to book an appointment with you, you can easily achieve this with our appointment scheduling tool without using a third-party booking tool. To allow users to book an appointment on your bot, you need to create your calendar. Get the calendar link and use the link right in the flow where you want users to book the appointment. When creating your calendar, you need to set your appointment confirmation flow and the appointment reminder flow. Let me show you. Now the appointment has been booked. You can also book an appointment for a user or send an appointment link to a user from the inbox. You can also check appointments from the inbox or check them in the tool section. Here we come to the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.